A very good morning. It's Mark here, 7:50 going on 8 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday, the 10th of June. That's going on noon GMT time. So US session about to get underway into the afternoon portion of the European session. And let's have a look how the markets are shaped up this morning, how they're shaping up this morning, pre-US Open. US dollar index did try higher. You can see that during the early Asian session and into the European session. For now, US dollar giving up those gains. There's the wickets left behind. I've got resistance at 98.91 and support 98.37. Trend is down and bias is down going into the US Open. If I look at the hourly, there you can see how it has come down. EMAs have crossed over on the hourly, looking at 98.37 support and US dollar weakness to get started on in the US session. Let's have a look at S&P 500. In pre-market trading, Wall Street will be opening up in about an hour and a half. And so far, continuation of the uptrend. A little bit higher in pre-market conditions. Resistance already up at 6,093. Got support at 6,042. Looking positive going into the US Open. Of course, we'll find out more once Wall Street opens up. Let's have a look at how gold is looking. There's the inverse relationship. Gold looking, US dollar looking weak. Inverse relationship is weak. US dollar strong gold. Gold is up a little bit already, gapped up a little bit higher to start. An open of 3,327. Already got resistance at 3,342 with support sitting at that pivotal 3,300 mark. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see resistance at 3,342 was rejected first time of asking, coming down that little bit right now. Again, US Open about to get started, and we'll see the relationship between gold, US dollar once we get more activity into the US session. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Certainly having a positive run over the past few days, and looks like it's continuing again, breaking above at this point and testing the 67.40 resistance area, 67.41. Fourth day of higher highs, higher lows. We'll see if that can continue into the US session, and buyers will certainly be looking up at that all-important $70 mark. Sellers, of course, to turn this around, will be looking at the support, and that at the moment is sitting at 66.89. Bitcoin. It's very, very strong day yesterday. We saw over 110,000 resistance was reached. So far today, giving up those gains all the way down to 109,000, not that much. 109,000 is where sellers, some profit taking, natural retracement, but buyers have stepped back in. There's the wick, it's left behind, now sitting at 109,600. If I zoom into the hourly, there you can see there's the slight retracement, buyers looking to bounce up off this support level and looking back up at the 110,000 or higher. We'll see how that progresses during the US session. Good trading, and I'll see you at end of day.